Does this sound familiar? You've just spent an hour planning a 60-minute lesson, or you're staring at a blank page and thinking, I need a reading lesson about travel, but I just don't have the energy to write one. Maybe you've asked AI, but it didn't give you quite what you wanted. Teaching isn't the hard part of the job, we all know that. It's everything around the teaching that takes the time. Planning, creating materials, writing feedback, finding new ideas that actually work. And now everyone's talking about AI, but it's hard to know where to start or whether it's even worth it. And you just want practical tools that make your planning easier, faster and better. And that's exactly why I created AI-powered language teaching. This is a practical, step-by-step course designed specifically for English teachers to help you use AI to plan lessons in minutes, create engaging materials instantly, and give them feedback with less effort. I launched the course last year and it's had great feedback. But the AI world has moved on so fast that I've completely overhauled it with new material and new ideas. I think you're going to love it. Inside the course, I'll show you how to generate reading texts, listening activities and speaking tasks in seconds. Create control practice and communicative activities effortlessly. And design full lesson plans and schemes of work. Use AI-generated images to spark discussion and engagement and give detailed writing feedback in a fraction of the time. Even simulate speaking exams to help your learners build fluency. And these aren't theoretical ideas, they're real classroom-tested techniques that you can use immediately. Imagine planning that lesson in 10 minutes instead of an hour. Imagine never running out of ideas. Imagine having more time and energy to focus on what really matters, your learners. I've spent over 35 years teaching and training teachers, and I genuinely believe this is one of the biggest shifts in language teaching we've ever seen. So if you want to save time, improve your lessons, and feel confident using AI in your teaching, click the link and take a look at AI-powered language teaching. I'd love to help you get started.